For a long time, scientists believed that Neanderthals were nothing more than primitive, unintelligent subhumans. But research has proven that this idea was completely wrong. In fact, many people today still carry between 3% to 5% of Neanderthal DNA. In the heart of the Altai Mountains, where the borders of Russia, China, Mongolia, and Kazakhstan meet, lies Denisova Cave, a remarkable archaeological site that has fascinated researchers worldwide. Surrounded by incredible biodiversity and complex geology, this cave tells a story not only about nature but also about our ancient ancestors. Everyone has heard of the Neanderthals, and now most people have also heard of the Denisovans. The cave's story began in the 1970s, when Soviet scientists first explored it, focused mainly on geology and fossils, unaware that its walls held secrets about human history. The cave itself was named after a hermit called Denis, who lived there in the 18th century. Then in 2008, everything changed. A tiny finger bone was discovered, and what it revealed shocked the scientific world. It didn't belong to a Neanderthal or a modern human, but to an entirely new species of ancient human, the Denisovans. Overnight, Denisova Cave became one of the most important archaeological sites on Earth. The cave, with its network of chambers, had clearly been home to humans for tens of thousands of years. Its remote location and harsh climate make it difficult to reach, but that only adds to its mystery. Every expedition uncovers new pieces of the puzzle of human history. The Denisovans remain a mystery. What we know comes from just a few remains, a finger bone, a handful of teeth, and part of a skull. Yet genetic studies show they split from Neanderthals about 400,000 years ago. What's more fascinating is that their DNA lives on in us. Populations in Asia and Oceania still carry Denisovan genes. For example, the people of Papua New Guinea have up to 5% Denisovan DNA, evidence of ancient interbreeding between different human groups. Artifacts from the cave, such as bone needles and jewelry, suggest that Denisovans were far more advanced than once thought. They had culture, technology, and creativity, reshaping our understanding of archaic humans. But Denisova Cave is only one of Siberia's great mysteries. In Yakutia, there is a chilling place known as the Valley of Death, scattered with strange metallic domes and structures rising out of the ground. Local Yakut legends warn that these objects carry dangerous otherworldly powers capable of making people sick, or worse. Scientists have speculated that these structures may be remnants of meteorite impacts, since Siberia has a long history of cosmic events. The most famous of all was the Tunguska Event of 1908, when a massive explosion flattened 80 million trees across 2,500 square kilometers. The blast was 1,000 times stronger than the Hiroshima bomb, and shockwaves were felt thousands of kilometers away. The leading explanation is that a small asteroid or comet exploded in the atmosphere 5 to 10 kilometers above the ground, with a force equal to 10-15 megatons of TNT. But other, more exotic theories include underground gas explosions, antimatter, or even a miniature black hole. Between Denisova Cave, the Valley of Death, and the Tunguska Event, Siberia remains a land of untold mysteries, where science, history, and legend meet in some of the most fascinating puzzles of our past and our planet.